Under the dark star sail, over the reefs of moonshine, under the skies of fall, northwest the stones of Pharaoh, under the Arctic fire, over the seas of silence, falling on frozen roofs, for all my days remaining. But would north be true, all colors bleed to red, asleep on the ocean's bed, drifting in empty seas, for all my days remaining. But would north be true? Why should I, why should I cry for you? Dark angels follow me over a godless sea, mountains of endless falling, for all my days remaining. Would north be true? Sometimes I see your face, the stars seem to lose their place. Why must I think of you? Why must I, why should I, why should I cry for you? Why would you want me to? And what would it mean to say I loved you in life that shone? What would be true? Why should I, why should I cry